Yesterday na nag-start ang yung video. Sige na. So this is all ingredients for fish soup. So there's a slice. Then we have here ginger, white onion, tomato, green onion or scallion, and bell pepper. And I'm going to add spinach. So that's all. Start to cook it. So I add water in a pot and place here in the cooking rinse. You can put all to taste. Ground black pepper. Now it's time to add the fish. Start and stay. Okay. We already add spinach. So lastly, add a spring onion or green onion. So there you go. This is ready. There you go. Fish soup with spinach. It's so healthy.